Hello, dear students. Today I am gonna teach you the first chapter from the fifth class mathematics, the fish tail. In this chapter, we will learn very interesting fact about measuring distance, speed, types of the fishes, and different type of shapes. We will learn many things in this. So let's start the lesson. The fish tail. What is the first line here? Deep under the sea, the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. What does it mean? There are many types of fishes, many colors, and many different shapes. They swim under the sea. Some of them are really small, and some of them are very large. And they have different colors, different shapes, and different species are there in the sea. Now, next is the special poem in 3 lines is called haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. What we understand in this, if you stood in front of a river or a small lake, so when you see it is very silent, smooth and calm. When fishes move inside the lake, did you observe that some bubbles are coming up to the water and the water is shaking a little bit? It means fishes are there inside, they are moving. See in the picture, you will get an idea like this. Something like this happens when fishes moves inside the river water. Okay. Now come to the next page. Okay. That is, look for fish designs around you on cloth, in painting, on mats. Look for a fish design around you. It means you can see many shapes around you look like a fish on cloths. Sometimes it is there is some paintings on the cloth, on mats. Mats also, the mat on which we lay on the floors, you can see some shapes are there. Not only these things, on many things we will find a fish designs. Okay, I think you understood. Next is mean, means a fish. Meenakshi is a name, is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? Dear children, look at that painting on the right side. That girl has the eyes same like a fish. Do you imagine someone in your friends or family did you saw and even your eyes look like a fish? Just take a look in a mirror, you will find this. Okay? Draw a face with fish eyes. Okay? You just make a small painting in one page. You'll get some idea. Okay? Fish can have very different size. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish you can imagine? There are many different kind of fishes. There are many biggest and some of them are very smaller, tiny fish. Come to the next line now. That how many times long is your big fish than the smallest fish? Did you imagine any fish? So what do you think? How longer, how biggest is your fish than the smallest fish? And now check out the next line. The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but is a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but fish have no nose and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to the babies, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish look big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. Dear students, what we understood by this, that whale sharks are really big, they look dangerous and they use only babies. As usually other fishes they lay eggs and they breathe from there, only they take water inside and throw. That is their respiratory system. But This whale shark do breathe same as we breathe. So how we breathe? We breathe by nose. So whenever the whale shark want to breathe, it comes up and take air inside the nose and go back to the sea. Now the next paragraph in this is one whale shark was as long as 18 meters. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. And guess what it weighted? Children's understood what is saying? If you and your friends total 12 children stood one by one on the top, then we calculate the weight, and what is the weight you gain by standing together, then the shark weight is much more than you, that whale shark weight. So how much it will be further is, well, much more than what 12 of you together weight. Its weight was about 16,000 kg. Is it possible that you all together will gain the weight like 16,000 kg? Definitely not. Now check out few points here given below. The first is about how many kilogram do you weigh. You just note it down here. It is 15 kg, 20 kg, 30 kg, whatever you just mention there. Okay. So next point is 12 children like you put together will weigh about some kg, and fill in the blank whatever weight is gained by you. Suppose in the first point, what he asking about how many kilograms do you weigh. Let take your weight as a 20 kg. Okay. Then according to that first point, when we go to the second point, 12 children like you put together will weigh means 20 into 12. 20 12 times. It will be how much? 20 10 times means 200, and 11 times means 220, then 12 times means it's 240. Then next is how much weight is coming of 12 students. That again make 12 times. Then you will find the answer of third point. Means that 12 times a children of weight 20 kg, it is 240. Then 240 12 times is a very large number. Let's check how much it is now. Yes, we did. It is 2880. So it is the answer. And next topic is the fish tail. Dear children, soon I will come back with the next topic, the fish tail. So stay hydrated and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon, so once I upload the next topic you will get notified. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye.